Hello and welcome to the festive edition of our OPUS cocktail making class. Today we're going to be making two Christmas classics which is guaranteed to make Santa smile. The first cocktail is a beautiful, warming and super simple mulled wine with a sweet amaretto kick. And for this you will need 1 bottle of inexpensive red wine, 1 cup of orange juice, 1 cup of apple juice, half a cup of amaretto, 1 sliced orange, 1 apple cored and sliced, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 cinnamon sticks, 5 whole cloves, 2 whole star anise, and finally 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. The recipe just shown will make 6 cups of delicious mulled wine. However, today we are making it for the team here at OPUS HQ, so we'll be scaling the recipe up to make sure that we have enough to go around for everybody. Before I do that, it is a bit chilly in here. So to start, we're going to need to pour the wine into a large pot. I'm just shaking. After you've added your wine into the pot, we are now ready to add the orange and apple juice. And now the amaretto. And now the honey. And stir. So it's now time for the fruits, the spices, and the vanilla extract. Oh, they smell phenomenal. Juicy. And now the vanilla extract. And warm it up over a low heat for 2 hours, making sure all the flavours are nice and incorporated. That's now ready to sit for 2 hours to let all the ingredients infuse. This is a really simple festive drink, perfect for a chilly evening. For the full instructions and the recipe, go to our website. Merry Christmas from all of us here at OPUS Camper HQ. Cheers.